In this lesson, we'll cover adding plumbing fixtures. Now, plumbing fixtures are a really important part of your plumbing design. Plumbing fixtures typically are added by the architect, so they may already exist. So your question that you may have is, do you use the plumbing fixture by the architect, or do you create a new plumbing fixture used for MEP? You could use either or. If you decide to use the architect's plumbing fixture, use the copy monitor method to make sure it's up to date and it's shared with you. However, you could use an MEP fixture and replace the architect's plumbing fixture that they had used. We're going to use the MEP plumbing fixture in this lesson. So, looking at my actual model on the screen, I see I have a bathroom layout. I have piping for waste lines. I have piping for supply lines for the sinks, lavatories. Now, looking at the actual layout, I see I have one water closet missing in the lower left. We're going to add that water closet as an example of how to add a plumbing fixture. So to add plumbing fixtures, let's go to your Systems tab on the ribbon. On the Systems tab in the Plumbing and Piping panel, click Plumbing Fixture. Now over on the left, in the Properties area, you have a drop-down to choose other plumbing fixtures that are currently loaded in this Revit project. If the one you want isn't here, you can actually load the family in. The one we're going to use, though, in this example is the water closet flush valve wall mounted. Now, I could start to place this fixture from this view, but this is actually a wall-mounted fixture, and I can see that in the Properties box. So it's probably best to display it and place it in an elevation view or section view. So we already have an elevation view created underneath plumbing in my view area. In the project browser area below, scroll down to plumbing and then double-click elevation 1A. This will open the elevation of that bathroom. And we could see the sinks, the supply line for the sinks, and we could see the actual waste lines for the lavatories or the water closets as well. Now we want to add the other water closet to the very right. To do that, let's go back and click Plumbing Fixture again on your ribbon. Verify the water closet flush valve wall mounted public 6.1 liters per foot is actually selected. And then move your mouse onto your screen and you'll see once you move over the wall, the plumbing fixture appears. Zoom in and verify that it is aligned on the actual supply and waste lines. When it's aligned, left click. That will actually place the fixture mounted to the wall and in line with the supply and water waste line. And again, you can continue to actually place more fixtures in this view. Click Modify in the upper left to end the command. Now let's go back to that floor plan view. So underneath plumbing, double-click Floor Plan Toilet Room. And you'll actually see we've added this additional water closet to our layout. Now you can also add additional sinks, additional elements, whether that be other plumbing fixtures in this bathroom or throughout your actual layout. So as a review, what we learned in this lesson was how to add plumbing fixtures. We looked at where to launch the plumbing fixture tool from, basically on the Systems tab of your ribbon, and then we selected the actual plumbing fixture we wanted to apply. But we noted that the plumbing fixture we're applying, in this case the water closet, was a wall-mounted fixture. Therefore, it was best to place this from an elevation view. We placed that on the elevation view, attaching it to the wall and aligning it to our water lines and piping lines.